those Shopkins had to invade our set. Well, yeah. Naughty little toys.
Huh, are they really that bad?
Yep, absolutely.
Hey, girls, I don't know what'll cheer you up.
What, Morty?
Seeing what's behind door number 19?
Yeah, might as well get over it. You're right. Let's get this over with before we lose our patience.
Wow, a lantern. That's interesting. I mean, a lantern could be useful. Although I really wish they painted the glass and the fire to make it look like an authentic lantern. I'll take what we can get.
Thanks for joining me on this exploration, Eleanor.
You're welcome, Amy. And I hope to straighten out the mess with those Shopkins soon.
Yep.
Me